The next advantage of having modulation is effective power radiated by an antenna. So if lambda decreases, frequency increases. We all know this relationship already. So now if you use increased frequency, the power radiated will become improved. So you can send data to a longer distance. Since you have a high radiated power, the signal can able to travel to a longer distance. So another advantage of having modulation is we can overcome the wired communication and we can go after wireless communication. And here the antenna height, we can have a considerable amount of antenna height, and we'll see this is the modulation and these are the advantages of modulation, and we already seen what is the need for modulation. Now we will discuss something about demodulation. So now in this particular representation, right, the user or the person who is listening to music is actually receiving signal from the FM station. So what happens in this particular thing? So you can see here the user end device, right, or mobile phone or a radio, what we use to listen to music, what it actually performs, it performs an operation which is called as demodulation. So a mobile phone or a FM radio or a AM radio or whatever it is, right, it is going to have a demodulator unit. Okay, so the demodulator is going to demodulate, or it is going to separate the message signal or the original baseband message signal from the carrier signal, which is of band pass in nature. So in this representation you can see the incoming modulated signal, it passes through the modulator or demodulator, and the message signal is retrieved, and at the other end you can retrieve the original carrier signal. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to find out the antenna height to transmit a voice signal of 3 kilohertz, right? So if we know the frequency, right, what is going to be the antenna height? This is a very important question, and most of the cases, even in government exams, this question has arisen. So we all know this relationship, right? H is equal to lambda by 4. So H is nothing but antenna height, which is a factor which is directly affected by lambda or wavelength. Okay, so now we know the frequency, so we all know the relationship to get lambda by given frequency. So lambda is nothing but c by f. C is nothing but velocity of light, and f is nothing but the frequency of the voice signal. So now we all know c is equal to 3 into 10 power 8, and the frequency given is 3 into 10 power 3. So that the lambda will become 10 power 5, which is literally 100 kilometers. So now we can find out very easily what is the antenna height. So the antenna height h is equal to lambda by 4, it is 100 by 4, 25 kilometer. Okay, yes. So this is about modulation. So friends, we have learnt about modulation in this video, and we have learnt about problem in sending a direct signal, that is a signal without any modulation. So what can be the problems? Okay, so and what are the advantages of sending a high frequency signal or a modulated signal? So this is what we have learnt in this particular video, and also we have learnt about what are the types of modulation. There are 3 types of modulation we already discussed. One is AM or amplitude modulation, and another one is FM, frequency modulation, and another one is phase modulation or PM. Okay, this is what we are going to learn throughout this particular unit 1. So in this case you can see, right, what we have done. So we have tried to transmit a low frequency signal, which is the first one, and then it is not possible, and then we have learned what is the significance of sending a high frequency signal. So how to do it, because there is no other way, right? So for in an FM station or in an AM station, the person who is speaking, definitely he will be having his own limitations. He will be speaking in baseband, which is nothing but around 3.4 kilohertz in average, or otherwise between 20 to 20 k kilohertz, sorry, between 20 to 20 k hertz, but he cannot throw his voice more than that. Okay, so what we can do, we can choose a high frequency carrier and superimpose the message over the carrier signal, and finally get the third one like arrangement, so you can start sending the particular signal. So this entire thing is called modulation. I hope you can understand what is modulation in this video, and you can understand what is the need for modulation, how to calculate antenna height provided if I have frequency. Okay guys, thank you.